Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download your YouTube videos customizable video thumbnail directly to your Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, a video that we have uploaded that consists of a thumbnail. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks, top right corner. And wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content, and we should have a collection of videos posted to the account. Let's now click on the video on top, details, scroll to the bottom. As you can see, we have a thumbnail that is currently set for this tutorial. So we can now click on options. And here we have four options. Either we can change, we can download, we can auto-generate, or we can A/B test. We want to download this thumbnail that was created by ourselves directly to the Mac computer. So now let's right-click, save image as. Let's now change the name of the image. I'll just say image 1 directly to the desktop. Click on save. Let's now X out of that. Go to the desktop. Image1.jpg has been located and saved to our machine. An image that we had previously created in Photoshop, uploaded to YouTube as part of the custom video thumbnail, and then taken directly from that video, downloaded directly to the account and Mac computer. So we can now quit preview, go back to Safari, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.